Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare tomato pickle using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe, firm tomatoes, which are the star of our dish. Also, prepare your spices: red chili powder, turmeric, and mustard seeds. Don't forget cooking oil, salt, and a small piece of jaggery for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. This simple list ensures a delicious outcome. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing your tomatoes and then chopping them into small, even pieces. This helps them cook down faster and more uniformly. Transfer the chopped tomatoes to a heavy-bottomed pan and cook them over medium heat. Stir occasionally, perhaps every 2 or 3 minutes, until they become soft and release their natural juices. This step is crucial for developing the pickle's base flavor. Next, we'll prepare the tempering, which adds incredible aroma and depth. In a separate small pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, quickly add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a small pinch of asafoetida. Immediately pour this spiced oil over your cooked tomatoes and mix thoroughly to combine all the flavors. For the final touches, add salt to your taste and about 1 tablespoon of jaggery, stirring until both are fully dissolved. This balances the flavors beautifully. Continue to simmer the pickle for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly to your desired consistency. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let the pickle cool completely. Transfer it to a clean, dry, airtight jar for storage, where it will keep well for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.